Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us live an abundant life. We're going to ask it for 10 mantras that we can tell ourselves that are going to help us live an abundant lifestyle. And if you want to live an abundant lifestyle, this video is for you. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, watch the video till the end, and tell me if I missed or if you can add to our list. A mantra. So let's go right into it. So here's the prompt I'm using. What are some of the positive mantras I can tell myself to help live a life of abundance? Did I spell mantras wrong? Whatever. Anyway, here are some positive mantras that you can tell yourself to help live a life of abundance. I am abundant in all areas of my life, and I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. Say it. Pause the video and say it. Because we're reading, I might as well say it. Mantra number 2. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity, and I attract it into my life effortlessly. Abundance flows to me easily and effortlessly, and I receive it with an open heart and mind. I honestly feel better just reading these. So as I'm reading it, pause it and say it to yourself, or say it with me as I'm reading it, because you can see my screen. I trust that the universe is always providing for me, and that I have everything I need to succeed. I am deserving of all good things that come my way, and I welcome abundance into my life. I am surrounded by abundance, and I am grateful for the blessings that come my way. I choose to focus on abundance, and I let go of any thoughts or beliefs that limit my prosperity. Now listen, we finished the 7th one, but I want you to, I'm going to repeat these back to them, but I'm going to say them to you. Okay, I'm going to put you in the cockpit of what I'm saying, and I want you to shut your eyes and listen to me as I speak. Okay, listen to what I'm going to tell you personally about abundance. Viewer, I'm going to call you person who has chosen to view this video. You are abundant in all areas of your life, and you are grateful for the abundance that surrounds you. You are worthy of abundance and prosperity, and you attract it into your life effortlessly. Abundance flows to you easily and effortlessly, and you receive it with an open heart and open mind. You trust that the universe is always providing for you, and you have everything you need to succeed. You are deserving of all the good things that come your way, and you welcome abundance into your life. You are surrounded by abundance, and you are grateful for the blessings that come your way. You choose to focus on abundance, and you let go of any thoughts or beliefs that limit your prosperity. Go back and listen to me tell that to you again, and I hope you have a blessed day. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. You're worth it. Bye-bye.